What's going on, traders? John with Tactical Trading here with our OTC Saturday video. Gonna have a few stocks we're gonna go over here briefly. Just want to touch on the week. I think we're pretty slow week. The one play that we did call out last Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving, OWUV, called that out a shade under 5 cents. That thing actually dipped below 4 cents into the 380s. About 2 days later, the following week, I called that out on the Wednesday. We had no trading on the Thursday because of Thanksgiving. Friday, kind of a flat day. I believe Monday was a flat day, and then Tuesday and Wednesday it absolutely took off. Closed today, or actually closed yesterday. It's very late Friday night, early Saturday morning making this video. So I may say tonight or today or whatever. It's early Saturday morning, but this thing closed at 15.5 cents, down 12%. And you can see it came out with some news today. They added two revenue-generating warehouse buildings to its asset portfolio. The news about the metaverse acquisition that we did speak of, they announced that they had land purchase on the in the sandbox. They're also going to be probably purchasing more land there as well too. So that's our metaverse acquisition. We take a look here at the chart. You can see 19 million volume, very nice volume. And forgive me for the charts here. It's always like this now. We go to the 6-month chart. You can see right around here is actually this first green day right here is when we had the alert. And then you can see, this thing just absolutely exploded on the news. So if the news came out the day before, and then the day after, this thing actually absolutely exploded. So do we still purchase them here? I this thing may pull back without any more news immediately. There are 2 more acquisitions coming in December, so I do like this play. It's a low float. This thing's going to be volatile. There's going to be swings going up. And what goes up must come down. There will be harsh pullbacks on any big runs. Still like this thing. Still definitely like the plans they got, like the share structure. So OWUV is definitely one that we're going to be keeping a very close eye on over the next few weeks, going into obviously the new year. Two acquisitions in December, so we do have some catalysts coming up. So definitely exciting. Next play is IGEX, IGEX, Indo Global Exchanges. Closed on Friday at 0.00855, down a 1.5% on Friday on 46 million volume. Let me take a look at the chart here. And we have some catalysts coming up here. If you take a look at the 6-month chart, you can see it's a very, very nice chart. In fact, we can pan out to the year chart. And you can see, right now this thing is just basically riding along this trend line. It's on the bottom end of this trend line right here that we've, basically from September 1st through now. This thing's ran as high as what's the high? 136 is the high. So we have a merger and 2 acquisitions. And in fact, I'll go over to a Twitter page here. Waiting on the 8K. Company says there's 0 dilution. Now, this is something that's very interesting as well too. This tweet here, this important acquisition has been financed by IGEX preferred shareholder at very advantageous terms. This is a 7-year at 2% per annum. Loan will be repaid from the profits of sales and revenue. So now you have a loan that's given out over 7 years, which whoever's giving this loan obviously believes that whoever's merging in has the sustainability to last for 7 years, which is a good thing, meaning they're either a great idea or a revenue generating company. Something what tells me that they're a revenue generating company is the fact that there is an agreement to pay back this loan, this 2% per annum over the 7 years, out of profits and revenues. So there's going to be no dilution with this, so that's a beautiful thing. This is a very advantageous loan for the company, for shareholders. The company doesn't have a very bad share structure, but I'll get to that in a second here. Here it says the notary appointment confirmed. First acquisition will be announced in the next few days, and that was on November 30th. So probably expecting something very shortly with this acquisition here. They get their new website getting ready. Business description was updated, and that was updated to, in fact, we'll go right to it. If we look here, they got the company profile, and now the company profile has been changed. It says IGEX is involved in the lithium and graphene industries. We are actively and diligently working on an imminent merger as well as the acquisition of attractive industry participants to continue offering our shareholders and investors smart investing growth and quick and reoccurring earning profits thanks to strong financial support of our preferred shareholders. So basically getting a kickstart from some a preferred shareholder or preferred shareholders that are giving them a very preferable loan here to acquire or to merge this company coming in. This is a graphene and lithium company merging in. Two very up and coming minerals that are in high demand. Graphene. This is something that I don't think is even tapped its potential yet. I don't think they even know what uses can be. I mean, again, I'm no scientist, so for me even talking about graphene is ridiculous anyways. But I don't think the potential's even been touched or tapped on that, nor with the lithium. Obviously, with these batteries for the EVs coming by 2030, we're talking almost everything's supposed to be EV. So there's big growth and big ramping up, and they need the lithium and graphene. So I'm hoping, I don't know who's rolling in, so I would assume they're already profitable from the assumption of the loan. Tells me that not only the merging company, they have they have revenues. It's a good company. They have two acquisitions. Subsequent acquisitions following, so there's catalysts coming up too. And again, it's in an industry and in a sector that is going to garner some attention. So at 0.0085, I really like IGEX. I was grabbing. This is actually the first time I've bought I've watched this thing for quite some time. First time I've actually taken a position was a couple days back, and going to be holding this through. Definitely through the acquisition or the merger, and probably through the acquisitions as well too. I want to see the price action, but we will be talking about this one going forward. And moving forward, the last two stocks are stocks. I'm just going to bring them up because these are something I want you to look at because they're beaten down a little bit, and the fact that I think these are long-term values in the OTC that I definitely want you to keep an eye on. Obviously, one is Humble, closed at 42.9. This thing ran up to almost 60 cents not long back, and a couple days ago, actually last week, and then just came right back down to 40 cents. I believe 40 cents, 39 cents is the bottom here. I could be wrong. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I am giving you my opinion, and from what I see, I think about 38 to 40 is the bottom on Humble. They should be OTCQB very shortly. I think that's a catalyst. I think this company has a lot of things going on for it, and already a year advanced from when they started this merger last year. I think we're going to start seeing some revenues coming in and start seeing the ball rolling, start seeing different different tentacles of their business start pulling in some revenue. So and actually start growing in this crypto space that has so many different areas to profit from. So I really like Humble going forward. Very good play in my opinion. And last but not least, these are both our babies. Call both these out on YouTube before anybody did. And that's ILUS International and Humble. ILUS International, Illustrato pictures on here, but it's ILUS International. ILUS closed at 36.9 on 8 million volume. We can take a look at the chart here. don't know why these don't stay up for me anymore, but oh well, doesn't really matter. It takes the next few seconds. And obviously this is where we initially started talking about it, right here at a penny. And we rode it all the way through the roller coaster, you know, and we really got our move that we anticipated. So I think we've pulled back quite a bit here. I mean, the highs were in the in the 50-cent area, all the way back down to 33 cents. That would be, I think that was an excellent buy area. I still think anything under 40 is a good buy area. They've got a lot of news coming up. This is a company with multiple catalysts, so many different catalysts coming up in the next year or so, propelling these guys possibly to NASDAQ. That's their goal. That's what I thought from the beginning. I think this is one of the top companies in the OTC. And again, this is my opinion, but at 30, 36, 37 cents, I really love ILUS. I like ILUS anything under 50 cents. So, that's all I got for you today. Hope you got something out of the video. As always, please like, please share, please subscribe. Any comments or questions, please put them in the comment section below. I do want to take 1 second out to thank my man, Mr. Charles Goki. I do appreciate it, brother. One of my first followers sent this. Man, this is appreciated, brother. Beautiful. Autograph Floyd Mayweather boxing trunks. And it's appreciated, brother. I really appreciate it. And we're going to throw that up right there. That bear's picture is going to come down. We're going to put that up right there. So I really do appreciate it, brother. It's much appreciated. Again, as always, please like, please share, please subscribe. Any comments or questions, please put them in the comment section below. And as always, traders, let's get that money.